Okay? So now that you have recorded already or coded your data, it should look like this. Alright? So your male have a code of 0, your job satisfaction level have a code of 3, you're married. For this particular file, I coded married as 0 and not married as 1, but you can have other codes as you wish. You can have 1 or 2. And then the mental ability, we have already identified that. And then the rest, so it should look like this. So please open your guide to this one. Okay, so now that we have our file that looks like this, then we can go to the next. Alright? Go to the next. Save your file as data for the sample problems, no? And then right there with codes. Okay? Because that should be now ready for our SPSS. Okay? Sige. So what are we going to do? Let's do this together. Let's go save as. Okay? What are we going to name here? Maybe you can say data with data for sample problems. Yun ba? Data for sample problems and then with codes. Ganun ang ating ano, di ba? Okay. But here's very important so that we can export it to our SPSS. Look at the screen. You have to save it as what? Save it as mamili ta dire. Asa ka na ko ni save? Save as what? Anyway, sige. Anyway, okay ra na save. Whatever. Okay? Maybe later pag mag-access na lang ta. Let's see if we can access it. And then we can open on our. Okay. Have you opened your SPSS? Okay. Can we go to our SPSS now and then we'll access our ano. But you can only do that if you close your Excel. So can we close it? Exit, and then that should be closed. No? Okay. So right now we can open. We of course access the folder. All right. And then what we're going to do is look for where we saved that file. Okay, so for my I saved it in my desktop, so I'm going to go to my desktop. Where did you save that file? And then I'm gonna access it. Okay. You notice, dili na ko makita from here. Even if I know that I've saved it on a particular folder. No? So I have to say files of type. I have to look for Excel para magawa siya dire sa mga choices. Okay? And then, pag na siya, hindi man siya gagawas. Where did I save it? Can you remember where I saved it? Naraday ko. Your data or data naraday, no? Okay, so nakita na? Okay. There. And then I'll have to click open. Are we there? Okay, you have to click open. Okay, that may take quite some time. And then if you see this particular dialog box, you just press OK. Okay. All right. This one is just this is a report. It says Excel and blah blah blah. Always okay, so you have something like that. So for me, I'm just gonna adjust that so that okay. So you have something like this. Okay. Okay, were you able to access? Okay, so in case you forgot how to do that when you're on your own, everything is right here. Okay, everything is right here. So you can go, it says click the arrow down for files of type, and that's what we just simply did. And then locate your data, and then you will have this dialog box, just press OK. Alright, so like that. You know, because what I did, in my previous classes kasi, even if I demonstrated it, even if I have a video, they still do not know what to do after we have left the room. So now, Talagang lalagyan ko ng dialog box. Ito yung makikita nyo. And my God, kumubagsak pag yun. Dili na ko kabaluon sa. Okay? So now we're moving on. We're moving on. One, we have to label so that when we will access, when we will do an SPSS, may mga pangalan, no? So we will label, we will write the label, and then we will write the sections and all. Okay? So, what we're going to do now, here, we will click the variable box. Got the variable box? On screen, please. Look at the screen. I will click the variable box. And then, ito yung mga nandun sa top. Okay? Yun yung mga labels natin sa ating mga columns. Ito yung mga with niya. Ito yung mga decimals, meaning mga 2 decimal. No? Ito, may mga 2 decimal. Okay? But the rest, wala siyang mga name. So, ito, very important to me because that's what I'm going to count. So, later, when I'm going to say count the gender but using the code, anong lalabas sa mga report? So, I'm going to write their gender. This is what I want na i-label niya. Okay? And then here, please write job satisfaction. Okay? Alright? And then here, please write civil status. Kasi yung mga code, wala man siya nagbutangan automatic o mga pangalan. And then this is mental ability. If you want IQ, you can put there, no? And then you go IQ, something like that. Okay? There. May mga columns, okay, ganito. Anong nangyari, ma'am? Ngayon lang may mga columns nga na ay mga kunuhay sulod. Pero wala man ko nag-label ani. Siya ha? Okay. Na ay murag, magsamok-samok na mga columns. Normal na siyang ano, kay wala man ta ng limpyo sa Excel daan. Supposedly, para malimpyo na siya, the Excel, okay, before we saved it and before we accessed it, naatay gitawag og cleaning para dili to siya murag ano no, mugawas didto. So meaning kani siya ato ni siyang i-highlight tapos ato ibutang delete. Nganong na-access to because when we were encoding, murag nga niabot ang punto nga naabot diri ang mga cursor. So iya tong gi-recognize nga murag na ay isulod unta. Okay? And then, sometimes, dapat nag-clean ta diri. Ana na siya. Okay? Para dili mo gawas nga naa siya yung mga giihap nga wala diha. Okay? Alright. Sige. So, we can also do that and then do it again. But anyway, that's it. Okay? Sige. So, anong gagawin natin? Data. And then you can go to the data view. Go back to the data view. Okay. Okay, this is the data view. So are we done? Are you done? Tingnan natin, i-try daw natin delete this. Delete. Let me see if it's gonna work. Clear? Cut? Delete, okay. Delete. Okay, so base, no? Okay, edit, delete. May nangyari ba? Maybe ang cut. Okay. Cut. Clear. Cut. Okay. And then maybe after the 54th, ang tanawa ganini, kaniya, mag-alingasam ni siya unya. O, daghan kayo siya na access na to na pan. So, pwedeng i-clean siya, pwedeng cut lang. Okay? Para later, kung mag-count ko, 54 agad siya. Okay? Okay? What does your do? So for your part 1, ay wala pa dito na humanog code. Okay. Alright, can we go to the variable view? Go to the variable view. Okay. Remember that we have a gender code, right? We have a gender code. So, look at this, guys. Look at the screen. Later, i-count niya. Pag mag-count siya, codes ang iyahang gamiton. And we do not want that. We wanted that the value on, ano gamit natin sa gender? Tell me. Ha? 1 o 2? 1 for? Ha? Male. Ito yung mugawas later sa ano. And then 2 for? Ay, sabi nyo. Remove ko. 0 ang male. Then add. 1 ang female. And then add. And then press OK. That's for the gender. And then what's our satisfaction code? Natay job satisfaction code. 1 is low, correct?
Yes.
Okay, 2 is average. 3 is high. There, and then we press OK. What else? How about the civil status? Diri ko sa code, kay kaniman ang maihap later. Okay? What's the civil status? Kung sa inyong gigamit? Iba-iba man tao gigamit. Oo, sa inyo 1 and 2, so gamitan ninyo na ha. Ang ako kay 0 for married. Mo man akong gamit. So 0 for married. Then add 1 for not married. Okay, okay. What else? We'll go to mental ability. 1 low, add 2 average, okay, 3 high. And then the rest, I did not code them, right? Okay? Just do that.